Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca. Today we're looking at a 2019 Ranger XLT in magnetic. It has black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5-foot box. It has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It has a trailer tow package as well, with a 4 and 7 pin connector. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. With the aid of your running board, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well as a menu that we can toggle through. And you're seeing the lane keeping system loading. Let me just get in there for you. Trip 1, Trip 2, fuel economy, truck info, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you have a little cubby to put items, and you're seeing your touch screen here. Sources are AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth, and you can also touch on your climate. And you're seeing dual climate control for driver and passenger. You also have your settings, and you can slide through there for different options, Apple CarPlay, automatic updates. You can even change the look of your screen. You have your hazard lights, volume and tuner, and below is dual climate control, so you can control it on the screen or down here. Your fans in the center there. You also have your front and rear defrost, AC and max AC. You have two 12 volts as well as USB outlets down below, and then you can press on these for different options for your hill descent, auto stop start, traction control, tow haul, parking sensors, traction control. And you also have your 4x4 with your terrain modes, and then when you press in the center you'll see normal, press again, grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, and sand, and then back around again. You have an automatic select shifter, as well your emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, a couple of cup holders, and then your armrest opens up. You just unclip it and you've got lots of room. You've got a little bin in there, you can take that out. Off to the side you're seeing your glove compartment, and up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. You also have your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get 17-inch wheels, chrome and magnetic colored running board, chrome door handle, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below the Ford badge is your backup camera and backup sensors on your bumper. You also have a 4 and 7 pin connector and a trailer hitch, as well as a locking spare tire. And then to open it up, just simply pull the latch. You've got this nice little line box with tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and locks. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. So you can just pop this up, and this is a bench seat. So you just simply pull the tab at the base on either the right or the left side, and then you can lift the seat right up. You now have access to the bins underneath and your jack, and then you can bring it right down again. On the floor, all-weather mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, a couple of USB outlets as well as 110. There's a little cubby there, and up above, hooks and handles, and you're also seeing the dome lighting. And in the back, access to a big window with rear defrost. Chrome bumper, mud flaps, 5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.